Hey guys, Chris here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about rice. So, I have to tell you, first, happy Pongal to all of you. I hope you guys have a fun time celebrating Pongal with your families, and yeah, so happy Pongal. Okay, let's get into the video. So, rice is a pretty big crop. In fact, it's a reason that we get 20% of our calories per year. And there's three types. Asian rice, which originated from grass. So basically, Asian people were hunters and gatherers in China. But then they found and started eating seeds that come from a type of wheatgrass. And then they domesticated that wheatgrass, and that's how we got rice. And they chose the best traits, natural selection, and, selecting the best traits, breeding them. And that's how we got things like basmati rice, purple rice, and jasmine rice. So, yeah. Also, then there is African rice, which is limited to West Africa, and it was domesticated pretty much the same way. In the South American, I couldn't find any information because the Europeans basically destroyed it, and now there's no more. That's sad. So, rice is a semi-aquatic crop, which means, let's just imagine this is a rice plant. So, it's semi-aquatic, which means my hand is a water level. So, the thing under here is a part of the stem and the roots. And then this part is the stem, and here is the leaves and seeds. So that's what I mean by semi-aquatic. And also, they don't need water all the time. They're not sowed in the water. They're sowed on dry land, and then farmers flood their fields. So if you might know, this is what happens when if your normal houseplant was like this. This was what would happen. Basically, it's gone. And now you just wasted like $20 from a houseplant. You should have gotten a fake one. Okay, yeah. So, never mind. Let's just see. So, you might be asking, how in the world does rice manage to do this? So, basically, rice has a snorkel. Like, not really. They just have air channels in their roots that allow the oxygen that they get from their stems and the leaves to go down to the roots. So it's like a snorkel. So rice is grown in paddies, and not the veggie patty on your burger. It's a patty, just a land that's flat, and then they fill it with water. And that's where it's grown. But there's two main problems with this. And the first one is rice is very thirsty. It uses 11% of the land totally used for agriculture. But it uses more than a third of the water used for agriculture. And second, there is no air underwater, which is great for these bacteria called methanogens. And methanogens hate oxygen because they were here before, when there was very little of the gas. So yeah, methanogens, if you couldn't hear from the name, which I honestly don't even know why you would know it from the name because it's pretty hard, but they make methane, which is very potent, more potent than carbon dioxide. And yeah, that's a very big problem. But farmers have been finding new methods to grow the crop, such as periodically draining and absolutely flooding their fields again and again. But for now, they just do this. This is the water line. It stays for most of the time. So, yeah. And we should be doing this instead of doing this if we want to keep our bowls full and our world happy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video, and please like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.